Queen of all media na si Kris Aquino kinumpirma na iniwan o hiniwalayan na siya ng Dr. Boyfriend na si Doc Michael Padlan. Sabi ni Kris, "He did not love me." Hiwalay na nga si Kris Aquino at ang kanyang jowang doktor na si Doc Michael Padlan. Ito ay ayon sa latest Instagram post mismo ni Kris na ibinahagi niya ngayong araw ng Linggo, Marso 16. Kalakip nito ang ilang larawan na nagpapakita na buhat-buhat siya ng anak na si Bimbi papuntang banyo dahil hindi na kayang lumakad ni Kris at magbanyo ng mag-isa kapag sumusumpong ang kanyang mga karamdaman. Samantala revelasyon pa ni Kris dahil doktor ang boyfriend. Binabayaran pa niya ang tamang professional fees nito kahit sila ay magkarelasyon na noon na ikinagulat ng lahat. Kung matatandaan last year, ibinunyag ni Kris sa kanyang panayam with Ogie Diaz na may bago nang nagpapasaya ng kanyang puso sa gitna ng pinagdadaanang health problems. Pagbubunyag pa niya noon, ang inspirasyon niya ay isang doktor na nandito rin sa Pilipinas. Matatanda ang Setyembre noong nakaraang taon nang bumalik sa bansa si Kris upang dito na lang ituloy ang iba't ibang treatment para sa kanyang autoimmune diseases. Kasunod niyan ay nagbahagi rin si Kris hinggil sa kanyang health update sa kasalukuyan na kung saan ay sumailalim siya ngayon sa ultrasound at tinurukan ng steroids sa tuhod. Ayon sa kanya, pinili niyang i-share ang current reality niya upang makapagbigay pag-asa. During this time of uncertainty, I choose to share my painful truth. The doctor I loved left me because he wanted the freedom to travel, to break free from needing to care for, and the reality of Kris Aquino, who had multiplying autoimmune diseases with so few treatment options. Enough time has passed. He did not love me. In my defense, he did receive the correct professional fees, even when we were a couple. End of that chapter, never akong natakot umamin ng katotohanan. The truth, in his words, iniwan kita dahil mahirap kang mahalin, sobrang sikip ng paligid. My prayer is that he will now stop trash-talking and cursing my best friends and doctors who are still doing all they can to improve my quality of life, proving everyday genuine love, compassion, and loyalty. Last night, my rheumatologist tried ultrasound-assisted targeted steroid shots on my knees. My body reacted the same way I did when we tried 34 months ago the steroid challenge. Bim is now doing MMA training, and I weigh less than 80 pounds, only 36 kilos. I cannot walk. Each step is agony. The excruciating pain is from my knees all the way to my feet, a combination of deep bone pain, lupus arthritis, polymyositis, and acute fibromyalgia. I decided to post my current reality because I want to give hope. When you are unconditionally loved, when like me you are blessed with a son who will do all to lessen his mama's physical and emotional suffering, hindi ka susuko. Tinitiis ko yung matinding sakit na parte na ng bawat araw ko dahil ang pagmamahal ng anak ay walang katumbas. Life is difficult for all of us, but faith in God and real love proven by action gives all the needed willpower to persevere. Thank you, God. Thank you to all for your continued prayers for my healing, and to my Northern Star, Bim, for being much more than your mama deserves. I love you, ate. Thank you, ate, for taking care of Kuya now. Tuloy ang laban. Pagtatapos ni Kris.